tribunal hereby overturns the results as declared by the returning officer.
Her role in the party primaries was conspicuous, having to either uphold results from the ground or annul the same, depending on the findings of the Jubilee Dispute Resolution Tribunal.
What I can say, it was intense.
Having practiced law for 11 years now, Faith Waigwa took her role as the chair of the tribunal in stride.
The pressure came from these individuals who participated in the nomination, the loser and the winner, and at times their supporters. But what I used to tell them is that even if you put pressure on us, what you submit before us at the end of the day is what will determine the outcome of our decision or the outcome of this case. So you can sing outside there, make noise and chant, and even call for our resignation or call for our being disbanded. That will not affect our decision.
Her relationship with the law goes way back. Though faced with the option to do law or pharmacy at the University of Nairobi, she was inclined to the former from the get-go.
I come from Nanyuki. I would visit the law courts in Nanyuki, sit in from morning at 9 a.m. to midday or 1 when the court breaks for lunch, just to have a feel of what is happening. Makiu, I had not been called to the university yet, and I didn't know that I would succeed to be among those who will be selected to join the University of Nairobi.
Today, Faith, in conjunction with 2 other ladies, run an all-female-led law firm, something that she attests to being strategic on both a personal and a business level.
We were bringing a synergy in terms of practice because we specialize in different areas. I'm in the property industry and recently started on energy law. My other partners, one of them is in the commercial industry and the other one is purely a litigation lawyer and alternative dispute resolution. She's also a certified mediator. We keep on pushing each other higher and higher. If we realize one of us has a God-gifted talent, we are able to assist her in nurturing it. We tell that particular individual, and then she ends up shining at the end of the day. So we don't look at it in an envious manner in terms of negativity. We really would want somebody to scale whatever heights they're able to scale. Yeah. By the way, that doesn't mean that we don't have men. We have men, but they're subordinate staff.
However, the journey with an all-female-led law firm has also attracted its share of doubting Thomases.
Our firm initially was called Nungo, Oduor and Waigwa Advocates. Now we have registered it under the Limited Liability Partnership, so it's called Now Advocates LLP. So when they would see that Waigwa or Oduor or Nungo, they would imagine it's a man. So when they reach and they're like, I was referred to Mr. Waigwa, and I'm like, no, it was Faith Waigwa, or it was Caroline Odoro, or Desma Nungo. So, and you would see somebody who would look at you like, will you be able to handle it or not? But the moment you prove yourself and as you go along, they get more and more confident.
Despite it all, Faith has been scaling the heights in the legal world. She also has another feather on her hat, that of the Vice President of the Law Society of Kenya, a position she has held since early 2016, and Faith attests to mentorship being a key factor in her success.
You don't have to have somebody who clearly holds your hands and says, you are my mentee. No. You can be mentored by observing, admiring, and watching some of these seniors. And once in a while, you knock on their doors and tell them, I would like to be assisted in A, B, C, and D, and you find that they keep on checking on you now and then.
Having held leadership positions since her school days, Faith is now ruling out running for an elective political position in the future. However, for now, she continues to traverse the legal world in different capacities and shares lessons learned thus far.
You have to have a laid down strategy on what you want. And of course, with that strategy, you don't go sharing it with everyone. You share it with people who wish you well and people whom you truly trust. Then they are able to tell you what pitfalls to avoid and how to get to what you want.
For Women in Power, my name is Gladys Gachanja.